This is where the magic happens. A multi-trillion-dollar industry literally powered by a fiery abyss. The secret keeping it from turning into a real-life geological disaster? This, your grandmother's secret ingredient for gravy. Welcome to the Cornstarch Hustle. I'm Dorso, and this is Clockin'. Let's build an empire. All right, team, listen up. Today's mission, corn-based drilling fluid additives. Sounds boring? That's exactly why it's profitable. It is the ultimate quiet luxury business model. But how you capture that market depends on your strategy. Are you the whale operating with massive capital, the Barracuda leveraging high-tech specialization, or the Remora fueled by pure strategic execution? We're breaking down the blueprint. First, the science behind the powder. Drilling fluid is the lifeblood of an oil well. It lubricates the drill, controls underground pressure to prevent blowouts, and clears the debris. And cornstarch, it's the MVP. Process it correctly, and it thickens that mud to perfection, creating a slick, protective coating on the well walls. Think of it like pouring a Kevlar lining down a multi-million-dollar hole in the earth. The old fluids were toxic, messy, and a regulatory nightmare. Cornstarch is biodegradable. In an industry facing massive environmental crackdowns, green isn't just a marketing buzzword, it's mandatory for compliance. And the best part? Your production cost is roughly $1 a pound. You sell it for $2 to $5. That is a serious competitive advantage. Fun fact, the exact same chemistry that saves your gravy from being a watery disaster also stops a high-pressure oil well from collapsing. The culinary arts are just extreme engineering. Briefing over, let's look at the business models. The whale. You aren't just playing the game, you own the board. Your strategy, total vertical integration. Capital, $10 million plus. The play, build a massive starch processing plant right in the Corn Belt. You lock in long-term contracts with local farmers. You control the raw material, process it in-house, and sell directly to the major oil conglomerates. You are the source. Your first move? Poach a chemical engineer with a track record of scaling industrial factories, someone who can turn a cornfield into an asset. This is David. He saw the volume opportunity, invested the heavy capital, and now he controls every single step of the pipeline, from the moment the corn sprouts to the moment it enters the drill site. He dictates the terms. That's market dominance. The Barracuda. You're too smart to compete in the commodity grind. Your strategy? High-margin problem-solving. Capital? Under $250,000. The play? Don't just make starch, make specialized starch. Find the extreme drilling conditions where the basic stuff fails. Deep sea pressures, volcanic heat, highly corrosive salt domes. Develop a patented modified corn formula that is the only viable solution. You are selling breakthroughs, not bulk. Your first move? Lease incubator lab space. University partnerships give you access to millions in equipment for a fraction of commercial costs. This is Anya. She engineered an additive specifically for ultra-high temperatures. She patented the process, and now she saves drilling companies millions in equipment failure. She doesn't compete on price because she sells a highly specialized solution. The Remora. You are the ultimate opportunist. No massive capital, no PhD, just lean strategic execution. Your strategy? Customization and logistics. Capital? Under $30,000. The play? The industry giants sell by the rail car. Small, independent drillers need specific blends by the pallet. You become their dedicated supplier. Buy the commodity starch, source the extra additives, and use a commercial ribbon blender to create custom, pre-mixed batches for smaller operators. Your first move? Identify regional drilling, geothermal, or industrial water well companies. Find the logistics gaps the giants are ignoring and fill them. This is Marco. He isn't a chemist. He's a supply chain optimizer. He saves his clients time and overhead by delivering exactly what they need directly to the site. The Remora thrives by being the agile, responsive player the heavyweights are simply too slow to be. So there it is, your basic kitchen staple driving a multi-trillion-dollar global industry. And the sector is only growing. Geothermal drilling and new plant sources like tapioca are pushing constant innovation. The hunt for greener, more efficient additives never ends. So what is your strategy? Are you the whale, the Barracuda, or the Remora? Let me know down in the comments.
If you're ready to dig for more overlooked industries, hit that subscribe button. It's time to find your pay dirt. Clock out.